What is up, Bngrz? I'm almost bald, but I'm glad to meet you again for a new tutorial. For those who've been living under a rock, we remake the most popular track of the electronic music scene for you to become the next Excision or Virtual Riot or Donald Trump, I don't care. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how we made Oliverse Tisoki's track New Life. Without further ado, let's jump into Ableton. Alright, here we are in my lovely Ableton. As usual, let's listen to the track first.
Make the most of it.
I really like how close we got this time. Without wasting any more time, let's now deep dive into the project. Hi, it's your boy Nost ASMR and I'm back for the drums. Jokes aside, nothing too fancy for the drums. We have a kick that we made with Kick 2. You can copy the settings if you want. Just pause the video. Some EQing to reduce a bit the low mids. Transient shaping to make it like transientier, more transienty, I guess, I don't know. And an utility to make it more mono at the end of the chain. We then have our snappy snare. Sounds like this. It was made by layering multiple snares, I guess. We've added a frequency shifter to make it on tune. Again, some EQing, transient shaping, and some reverb for extra sauce. We then have our groovy hi-hat pattern, which sounds like this. Just basically low cuts to keep only the high ends, a bit of ass effect to make it wider, and I guess that's it for the hi-hats. Don't forget that you can get everything in our shop section on our website. Now that we're a bit warmed up, let's jump straight into the synths. Hey you! I see you. Stay focused because this is the most interesting part. The main patch is decomposed in 3 layers, which sounds like this all together. The first one is this greedy bass, which sounds like this. It was made with Serum again. It's a mix between square wave and sawtooth wave with a bit of low-pass filtering. Nothing too hard for the FX, a bit of saturation, chorus and compression. For the post-process, you will need a small bit amount of amp, again saturation, OTT, you know it, some, again saturation, EQing, again OTT, and again saturation. It's pretty basic. Then we have this Super Saw Serum preset, which sounds like this. Actually, I had to hack Ilnium's computer to get it, so please stay discreet. It was made simply by detuning some saw waves in Serum, a bit of high-pass filtering, saturation again, saturation, and a bit of OTT, please. The last layer is this query lead, which sounds like this. It's a simple Serum patch. You can pause the video and copy the settings if you're not a fucking lazy ass. Just add some chorus and tape saturation in the FX section. Then we dropped our Bngrz distortion chain, added a bit of vocoder, and that's pretty much it. Bit of reverb to make it more wide. Then we have our magic filler basses. The first one sounds like this. It's a Serum preset again we made. You can copy the settings, it's not difficult at all. Just saturation in the FX section. For the post-process, it's our distortion chain with some OTT and saturation again. The second filler bass sounds like this, and is Serum preset remade for the project again. You pause the video, you copy the settings, you know it. FX section is saturation, chorus, even more filtering, and some hyper to make it wide. Then add some more chorus, a corpus to make this sound really tonal, and our basic distortion with compression, saturation, and EQing again. To make the drop even more alive, we've added some vocals, like basically drawn into reverb and grain delay, and it sounds like this. That's it for the synths. Now let's deep dive into the subgroup. Our sub is single today, but oh boy, she got curves, and I'll show you right now. It's an analog synth wavetable with a bit of enhancement in the third and second harmonic to make it more square, with a diode in the FX section, more overdrive to boost the low end, again a slight boost in the low end, more saturation, and an utility to make it mono. It sounds like this. Ooh, see how warm it is? That's it for the sub. Let's listen one last time to the final result and see how close we got this time.
Make the most of it.
That's fucking sick. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. Please consider liking, subscribing, leaving a comment. Basically anything that could help me would be much appreciated. Don't forget to visit our website so you can understand how owning one of our NFTs unlocks all of the shop for free. It also grants you access to free monthly benefits such as sample packs, preset packs, workshops, and makes you enter our giveaways including free merch, full studio setups, and even more. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video.
Make the most of it.